Did you know dolphins use pufferfish to get high? Dolphins deliberately handle pufferfish, causing them to release toxins as a defense mechanism. These toxins can be deadly, but in small doses. They have a narcotic effect, like a powerful hallucinogenic. Dolphins seem to enjoy this underwater trip. It's like their own oceanic adventure. Talk about making waves with a side of high seas. G'day folks, today we are looking at the loudest animal in the world. Is a mere 2 centimeters long. It is a prawn. Meet the pistol shrimp. I was expecting something big and fierce, but this is giving tiny powerhouse vibes. It's capable of snapping its claw shut so rapidly that it creates a bubble which collapses to produce a sonic blast louder than a Concorde's sonic boom. The shockwave can reach 230 decibels, also louder than the sound of a gunshot. The imploding bubble for split seconds also generates temperatures of 4,400 degrees Kelvin, killing its prey. Wow! That's nearly as hot as the sun, folks. Nature never failed to astonish us. If you thought boars weren't one of the smartest animals, think again. At the Basel Zoo in Switzerland, zookeepers watched wild boars pick up sandy fruit. They carry them to water in their enclosure and wash them before eating. It's like they're saying, "I prefer my fruit clean, thank you." Who knew boars were such neat eaters? Next time you see a boar, remember, they're smarter than they look. Nature never ceases to amaze, right? G'day folks. Well, you've heard of monkeys and dogs in space, but did you know a cat went too? Yep, that's right, you did hear that correctly. On October 18th, 1963, Felicette, one of 14 female cats trained for space missions, known as Astrocat, became the first and only feline to travel into space. She did survive the trip, but was euthanized 2 months afterwards to examine the effects of space travel on her brain. Her journey remains a unique chapter in space exploration. Did you know Australia is wider than the Moon? The Moon's diameter is 3,400 kilometers, while Australia's east to west span is almost 4,000 kilometers. That's right, our land down under is broader than our lunar neighbour. It's a fun fact that really puts things into perspective. Next time you look up at the moon, remember how vast Australia truly is. Did you know an ant can lift and carry objects up to 50 times its own body weight? Some species can even handle hundreds of times their weight. This incredible strength makes them one of the strongest creatures in the world. Imagine lifting a car with ease. Ants are the ultimate powerhouses of the insect world. Next time you see an ant, remember the strength it holds. Nature never ceases to amaze, right? G'day everyone. Crows can remember human faces. Yeah, especially those tied to good or bad vibes. They can recall specific faces for years, and get this, they even share this info with other crows. So next time you see a crow, be nice, folks. You never know, they might just remember you. Did you know cats spend a huge chunk of their day grooming? Yeah, between 30% and 50% of their waking hours. It's like their full-time job keeping that fur pristine. They've got it down to an art form, every lick and paw swipe, and we thought we were obsessed with self-care. Next time you see a cat, just remember, they're basically the self-care gurus of the animal kingdom. So, if you're ever feeling lazy about your routine, just channel your inner cat and get grooming. Did you know fleas can jump 350 times their body length? Imagine if humans could do that. That's like leaping over skyscrapers in a single bound. These tiny creatures are the ultimate jumpers of the animal kingdom. It's fascinating how nature equips even the smallest beings with incredible abilities. Next time you see a flea, remember its superpower. G'day folks. This may surprise you, but it is illegal to own just one guinea pig in Switzerland. Yep, that's right. Swiss law says they need a buddy. Guinea pigs are super social animals. Loneliness can actually harm their health, so they must be kept in pairs or groups. It's all about their well-being and happiness. Imagine being alone all the time. Not fun, right? So, if you're in Switzerland, make sure your guinea pig has a friend. It's the law, and it's for their peace and well-being. G'day everyone! Did you know there's a jellyfish that can live forever? Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the biologically immortal jellyfish. It can revert its cells to an earlier stage, essentially starting life over. This means it can potentially avoid death unless injured or diseased. Imagine if humans could do that. Nature's wonders never cease to amaze, right? Imagine a world where a fungus turns ants into zombies. This isn't sci-fi, it's nature's eerie reality. Meet the tropical fungus, Ophiocordyceps, the mind-controlling fungus. It invades an ant's central nervous systems. Once it has been in the insect's body for 3 to 9 days, it has complete control over the host's movements. According to National Geographic, it forces the ant to climb trees, then convulse and fall into the cool, moist soil below, where fungi thrive. Once there, the ant is forced to bite a leaf and waits for death when the fungus emerges from the ant's head onto the leaf. The fungus then continues its life cycle. Wow, it is like something out of a horror movie, right? Nature's dark side is both fascinating and terrifying.
Join our community and never miss out on the coolest content. Thanks for watching.